Guys, I'm super excited because it's going to be very interesting Italian makeup look. I did Turkish delight makeup look, and probably that's it. No, I did someone else. I fell in love with this really pretty eyes, and Claudia Cardinelli, I guess she's Cardinelli, she wore really thin and beautiful brows. But if we're going to be talking about Sophia Loren, she had laminated brows back in the days in 60s. I don't really have brows, that's why I'm going to be doing Cardinelli's look, and I mean brows in particular. But if you have beautiful bushy brows, go with your brow mascara, and that's it. I'm gonna outline my natural shape, and I will do my brows pretty thin. Let's fill in the brow with the same pencil. I'm gonna use Guerlain brow mascara. You can use any brow mascara available. Brush our hair up. Finally, NYX Professional Lift and Snatch brow pencil. I want to create structure and some false hair. Like that. It's actually looking more like Sophia Loren's brows. That's it, guys. Now we're gonna do my eyes. Let's use NYX HD eye primer. Sophia Loren and the others, they have pretty harsh and beautiful white line in the waterline area, and then they prolong this line in the outer corner of the lower lid as well. That's why we're gonna start with white eye pencil. I think with liner it's gonna be harsh, and I am afraid that my eye is gonna burn. That's why we're gonna start with white eye pencil, and we're gonna create a harsh white line. I have my Dior white matte eyeliner, and I want to create a pretty thick white line. And we're doing the bottom line. Now let's do black eyeliner on top of my lash line. I'm using Makeup Forever. This is matte eyeliner, and we're going to create a thick line, and the line is going to be pretty high. We're going to create it on top of my white line that we've just created, and cut this a little bit like that, and we're going back with the same color. You can tell this line is super thick. I don't want to do extremely thick line in the inner corner. I think it's going to be too much. And from, I guess, the middle part of my eyelid, we're thickening the line. Let's carry on with eyeshadows. It's gonna be blue, purple, yeah, kind of navy blue and purple color. I guess I'm gonna mix and combine this shade and then add a little bit of navy blue. I have my fluffy brush. I'm gonna need to cover my lower lid with some paper, and I'm gonna place my color first. Like that. We're gonna stamp it on top of my lid, and then I will mix in this navy blue just a little bit later. Let's pat first. Now we're going to the navy blue I showed you a couple of seconds ago. And with any clean brush, more or less clean, I'm gonna diffuse the color and create a soft transition. Finally, I'm doing my black pencil. We're gonna define white eyeliner with black. It's gonna be super thin, guys, and we're gonna stop, I guess, where my pupil starts or ends, begins, I guess, this way. And then we're gonna just prolong the line to the outer corner. I'm going up, and let's connect my black line with this black. I have a really good brush for detailing. Let's pick on some black from the same palette, tap it off, just diffuse the shade a little bit, go back to this color. I think she has a little bit more of liner, black liner for structure right here. And I'm gonna, yeah, connect these lines like that. With any leftovers, I'm gonna diffuse it a little bit. I'm gonna need to prolong this a little bit further. It has this cat eye look. We're gonna follow my natural shape and just prolong it a little bit further. And that's it. And that's it. I'm gonna coat lashes with mascara. The one that I'm using today is Essence Love Crazy Ball Mascara. For the bottom lashes, I'm using the Essence Love Crazy Ball Mascara Waterproof. For sure, it's summertime. I need a little bit of powder underneath my lower lid because I know I'm gonna sweat and I know I'm gonna leave a lot of marks. Guys, we're almost done with the look. Sophie Loren, she wore this beautiful makeup forever. Not the same exact color, but she wore something peachy nude. I have similar shade. Makeup Revolution C105. I want to outline my lip. I'm not going to overline. Just a little bit, create shape. Let me present you guys Sophie Loren's 60s Italian makeup look. I'm obsessed with this look. This is the final result. I hope you enjoyed today's experiment, and I would say this look is extremely similar to Turkish Delight eye makeup, I guess because of real importance of eyeliners, because I used a lot of eyeliner in my Turkish Delight. I use a lot of eyeliner in this makeup look. Yeah, it's similar, but it's different. Love you all so much, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye-bye.